Okay, how to install an HTML email signature in MailChimp. First, you want to find your HTML file and right-click on that and open with Notepad. Once we have that open in Notepad, you want to Control A to select all, Control C to copy it to your clipboard. Then we can close that out and head into MailChimp. And whatever template, I just have one of the default templates to use for this example. But whatever template that you want to add it to, you would want to go into the design editor. And before we paste the code, I want to add a layout here that is layout number 1, which is pretty much just a single full width box, and drag that to wherever you want to add it. Since it's an email signature, likely towards the bottom, and just drag it over there and let go. And the reason that we want to add a blank box here is because we might want to mess with the top and bottom padding to give some more space or less space between the other content that's above and below it. So once we have that, what do you call it? The giant box, let's call it, added to your template, go back to the content menu here, and then go to the code section and drag that over to the content box, or the giant box. What did I call it? The big box. And put it there. And then here is where we want to paste the code that we have copied to our clipboard. First, let's highlight this and backspace or delete to get rid of it. And then Control V as in Victor to paste the code. And there it is, right there. And like I said, let's go back. Let's say we want a little bit more spacing. Things are a little tight here between the button and the spacer here. Let's go to the content box, or the giant box. See, if you here is the HTML code. If I go up a little bit, it gets bigger because this is the actual box that we want to mess with the padding. So let's click there. And now we can play with the padding. Let's try 40 on both the top and bottom and see how that looks. That looks pretty good, but whatever you think looks best for you is just fine. And we are pretty much done. Let's preview it, see how it looks. It's going to look pretty much the exact same. But there it is, how to install your HTML email signature in a MailChimp template. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.